मैं डॉक्टर अनिल गर्ग T2H एकेडमी डोमेन 2 होलिस्टिक एकेडमी की ओर से पुनः आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ। लास्ट टाइम आई स्टार्टेड a motivational talk series on the topic inculcating winning habits, which is largely inspired by a book, The Habit of Winning, written by Prakash Iyer. I gave you a talk on the topic breaking mental barrier in my last video, part 1. Today, I am going to talk to you on the same topic, breaking mental barrier, part 2. My dear friends, as I discussed with you, most of the times the barriers which we feel on our way to success are mental barriers only. I gave you the example of cricket last time. This time I will give you one more example. You must have heard about Karoli Takas. He was a pistol shooter in Hungarian army and he won many medals in pistol shooting events. National champion was there. He was there as a national champion of that country in pistol shooting. He was only 28 years old in the year 1938 when a disaster happened. Suddenly, in a training session of army, one hand grenade blasted in the right hand of Karoli and it flew away his right hand, his shooting hand. He lost his hand. Oh my God. His dream of winning Olympic medal in 1940 crashed. Devastated, dejected. Any one of us will have a lot of sympathy about him. But my dear friends, Karoli was made up of a different stuff. After admission in hospital for a month or so, he was discharged. He was discharged from the hospital, and the moment he found that he's okay now, he started practicing pistol shooting again from his left hand. He never thought of what he lost. He only thought of what he has. Most of the times in our life, we always thought of, oh my God, why this has happened with me? Why I lost this? But Karoli, he was a different person. And my dear friends, after 1 year, when he went to a national championship in his country, his colleagues, his friends, they welcomed him. Oh, Karoli, come. They were happy. They thought that Karoli has come to see them. Karoli has come to see the event. When Karoli met all of them and told, my dear friends, I'm not here to see the event. I'm here to compete with you. Within a year, can you believe? And friends, he participated in that event and won the medal. His Olympic dreams still remain unfulfilled because of 2 Olympic Games cancelled due to Second World War in those days. Finally, in 1948, Olympic came to London and Karoli participated. And you know who won the gold medal? Of course, Karoli. Again, in 1952, Olympic came to Helsinki. And there is no surprise now. Who won the gold medal? It was Karoli only. My dear friends, this example is a fantastic example to learn a lesson from it. Most of the times in our lives, when something wrong happened with us, when we lose something, when something is not happening as per our choice, we feel vanquished, devastated, dejected, crushed. We feel our dreams are collapsed. No, my dear friends. We feel, why me? Why me? My dear friends, this is not going to help us. We should think of Karoli. No, we should think like Karoli. We should not think what we lose. We should think what we have. हमें ये नहीं सोचना है हमारा क्या चला गया. जो चला गया उसे तू भूल जा. क्या बचा है उस पर ध्यान देना है. We have to develop winner's mindset of Karoli. Karoli's mindset was the mindset of winner. Never ever give up kind of attitude. If we develop this mindset, never ever give up attitude, then nothing can stop us in achieving our goals. Nothing can stop us in achieving our dreams. As I told you, problems and barriers are inevitable in our lives. They will all come, but you have to stand firm in front of all those barriers and come out of it. Then only you can be a successful person. Thank you so much. So my dear friends, Inculcating Winning Habits series, topic Breaking Mental Barrier, part 2 is over today. I'll come with part 3 of Breaking Mental Barrier shortly. I'm sure you must have liked my video. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now. Like my video, share my video with others, and don't forget to press bell icon so you can get information of all my upcoming videos. With this, your friend Dr. Anil Garg from D2H Academy, Domain 2 Holistic Academy would like to sign off. Thank you so much.